Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this GiveBest, and it's a side table in brown. So let's open it up, take a look, and see what we get inside. And we'll see how it goes together. The box is a little on the heavy side, I gotta be honest with you. I picked it up and I was kind of surprised at the weight. So it's like a very densely packed package. So. Then, so this is the top of it. And get your instructions. So it looks like it's got like 5 steps to it, so it doesn't look overtly complicated. Though it seems like it has a lot of parts, but let's see what we get. Put that off to the side. And that's a metal piece. I'm going to spread these all over the desk. Another piece of separation foam. These are your bags of bolts. There's the other side of the leg. And some more foam. This is another wood grain piece. Drawers. Actually, I think it's a drawer. This is your power block. And man, I know they got to pack this stuff in foam, but I cannot stand styrofoam. It just goes absolutely everywhere. And there's another table piece. Got a whole bunch of wood pieces to it. Alright, then the last couple sections. My goodness, there's out in front of us. We'll go through them as we go. Looks like everything is properly numbered, so it should be pretty straightforward. And then let's get these nuts and bolts out. So you got a pack that you can see it's EDC and 11. And then you got a pack of the A, with more styrofoam, and a pack of the B. My goodness, the styrofoam is everywhere. Hang on one second. Alright. I think we're set now. Okay. So step 1, it looks like we're going to be putting pieces 1 and 1 together. So that's a 3. So that is a 1. That goes there. I think the other one is down here. Okay, so 1 and 1. So they are basically kind of like they have the beveled edges on them, if you can kind of see that. And it looks like they're going to go together like this. I believe that there is a top or, oh yeah, there is. Okay, so the bottom is going to have these little bolt pieces, nutserts, if you can see that. And then the top is going to be flat. So we're going to lay this down as outlined. And then we are going to be looking for part D, which is going to be the 2 wooden pegs. Let's open that up. So you got these 2 wooden pegs. So put one in on that side, one in on that side, and they just kind of simply go together. Okay, like so. Then you have part 4. So again, labeled really well. Part 4. So I guess we'll do that. We'll put the number 4 on the inside just to hide that little piece. And then we go here for that. And then 4 number A's. But the styrofoam is like killing me. It's crazy. All right. Okay. All right. So, and then the Allen key. Here. So it's pretty neat. It's got like a Phillips on one end, Allen key on the other side. So we'll just line these up. I don't think there's any washers. No, no washers. So these go straight down into this wood. Step 2, it says, looks like step 2 are these pieces here. So let's see how they want to go together. So that wants to go down, and it looks like it wants, hard to tell, the screen on the inside or the outside. Actually, it looks like they face this way, and there's a section that goes down through the middle. That might be on the outside, so oh, okay, so it's got holes pointing outward. So if you look at it, you have all the holes. You got a couple holes here that are basically pass-throughs, and then you have a bunch of holes on the outside. So I assume it wants all the holes pointing outwards. So we'll get that going there, and then some more of the A's. Get them kind of hand tight. And with all assembly, if you've ever put stuff together, you know you don't want to make stuff super tight until you have everything assembled. So in case you have a step that's backwards or something. So that's what we've learned through years. We just get these hand tight, just so it kind of like all holds together. So if we got to disassemble, we're good to go on that. Okay, so that's step 2, and then it has 7 and 8, which are these two pieces. So again, I guess these are going to go with the holes pointing outwards this way. Okay, so that looks like that's good. Holes facing outward on this side. Okay, and then we're going to be putting part B, which it looks like it's going to be like these little crank bolts. And those are going to be the feet, actually. Oh, here's B. It's a smaller bag of bolts. Looks like these are going to go right here. And yeah, we're going to put these all in kind of loose. So if we got to go backwards on a step, we can easily do that. I think we're okay. Okay, move on to step 3. So it's going to want you to put these feet into the bottom. So let's go. Cool. These also act as levelers too. So if you have a floor that's a little uneven, you can screw these in or screw them out further. I usually screw them all the way in, and then you can screw them out to kind of level things, kind of like on the bottom of a refrigerator. Okay. And then we're looking for shelf 3 and shelf 3. So here's one of the shelf 3s. I guess, where do we want these? We want these towards the bottom. So I put those here. And again, more of those A bolts. I think we have this all at the right orientation here. So let's get this other shelf 3 in. Alright, so far so good. So that's step 3. I have all those pieces put into play. Step 4 is going to be placing in the back power piece. That's going to be your, actually it might be the front. Let's see how that goes. This is part 2. Flip this over. I think we're safe enough that we're going to tighten all this stuff down. Alright, to speed up the process, I'm going to cheat a little bit. And I have a power Allen key hex bit. We're just going to kind of zip through this a little bit faster. Alright, so this is flipped over. Let's take a close look at the directions. And it looks like this little piece of wire goes back here. It's kind of like the stop for the drawer. And it looks like that just kind of slips down and plays there. And then it looks like got this piece. It looks like that fits on the side here. And if you look at this piece of wood trim, it has some pre-drilled holes here. And then this is going to line up right in here. And that sits like that with another 8-bolt. Put that on that side. That is that. We have our power cord. This is cool. I like how this, you put this up against the power outlet, and then you have this as your extension. And it has a couple USB charge ports on it. So super, super useful. Thank goodness. And then you have 2 little wood screws that are going to go in here. Like I said, the great part about this Allen key is it has a Phillips head on the other side of it, so that makes things work so much easier. Desk screwdriver just to make sure those are nice and tight. Alright, so that sits in the back there. Goes through, off onto the side, I guess. However you want to work that through. Just kind of let that hang out of the way of the drawer. I think we're just about done. You got a little drawer piece here. So these drawers.
Motion detected at the side.
Alexa, volume 2. So this drawer opens up. And then you have this little piece that goes in there to make the drawer nice and rigid. And then you actually have a little drawer pull. And with there is another bolt around here somewhere. And you have the little silver bolt, and then you have your drawer pull. And then this goes through that hole. And then you just tighten down your drawer pull, your drawer knob. Again, I'll use this screwdriver. You can use the included Allen key as well. And that is your little drawer pull. And then you have your little nightstands built. So pretty cool. And you got like this little power cord. We'll keep that tied up for now, but you can have that go along the side so it doesn't interfere with the drawer. And you can see how much room you have with that. And then you got a nightstand top. And my daughter is here today, and she is already eyeing this up. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and let me get this centered. Brian from Garage Mahal, and there you go. You have a nightstand.